Hey friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to make an application, and the application is basically auto deployment. So what it does, it will automatically deploy the data into the server when a new code pushed into the repository. Alright, so whenever a new code is pushed into the repository, I will write a script, and based on this script it will automatically deploy that code or that new added code into the server. So this is how I'm going to do it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to create a main.go file, and after that I will create a YAML file in which I will write the script. So let's write main.go file. So inside this file, what I will do, first of all, let's write an application, and the application will be a simple app. So let's write what you can say, function hello handler. So let's write http response writer, response http response writer, and then http request, like this. So inside it, let's first of all create a file also by the name of go mode init. This is also a file that is required. So maybe it contains any kind of error. Response writer, like this, and this is going to http request. So now it will work. After that, let's write fmt fprintf, and let's write w. Hey gophers, what you can say, gophers, you have requested this one URL path or URL path, like this. And after that, let's write a main function that will execute this hello world functionality. So inside this, what I will write http handle func, and give it a slash, that will be a path, root path, and after that hello handler. Now the next thing is going to be fmt println port, a server listening to port 8080, like this, and http listen and serve, this will be the 8080 and nil, like this. And if I write like error also, it will work fine. So let's say if it has given me an error, then I will write like this, n equal to nil, then panic error if error, like this. So now this is how it will work. So if I run this code, go run main.go, let's listen to the port 8080 localhost. Hey gophers, you have requested this our URL path should be, oh sorry, this is how I think this is a problem here, maybe. Let's check this out first of all. Sorry, I need to write like this slash, maybe now this will work fine. Go run main.go. Yep, you have requested this. All right, so now this will be the main path, and this is how it is showing. So this is the root path, and this is the root path that it is showing me by the name of this. Let's say if I write home, if I write home, and now what I will do, I will write clear, and let's write go run main.go. Let's go to the home. As you can see here, this is the home path that it is showing me. So basically what it does, it will print the path that I will give it here. Any path that I will give it here, it will print that path for me here, like this. So now this is fine. So let's save this, and after that, let's create a directory by the name of .github. Inside this file, I will create another directory by the name of workflows. So this will basically inside this I will create a YAML file, and basically it will help us to run the to deploy the code when the new code is pushed into the repository by using the GitHub action. So this code is generally used for the GitHub action, so that's why I will write main.yml. So now inside this main.yml, I will create a YAML script. Like the first thing that I'm going to write is to write name go, sorry, like this. And now the next thing is going to be on. So I'm going to build a what you can say, write a script, and that will build the data and that will run it on the GitHub actions. So whatever the first thing is going to be push branches. Sorry, it's not going to be built, it's going to be pushed like this. Push branches main like this. And now let's write pull request. Now this is how it will work. So basically when the code will be pushed, it will be in the main into the main, it will also respond, and when the pull request is given, it will also respond, and in the branch of main branch, right? So sorry. Next thing is to perform the jobs. So the jobs is going to be build, name, build, and after that runs this job on Ubuntu latest. So the first thing is going to be it will push the data, or it will pull the data from the main branch. All right, so main branch that is by default present. If I show you the branch here, you will see that this is the main branch. It will either push it or send the pull request to. Now based on these data, based on these pushed and pull requests, it will perform a job, and this is the job that I'm giving it, like the build. It will first build it and runs on Ubuntu latest, and after that let's write the steps. So these are the steps that it will perform. First of all, like the first step is going to be like name, what you can say, and name is going to be go, sorry, setup go x 1.x, it could be any version. And after that let's write uses, what you can say, what will be the uses for it. So setup, yeah, actions, setup like this, and basically like v2. Now this will work fine. All right, so after that let's you have written the uses, so let's write the with or go version. So it will set up the go, and it will use this actions at the rate setup at v2. So what it does, it will basically use it and run it in the workflow, and after that it will write go version. The go version would be like what you can say, v2, sorry, like this 1.19. so this is the go version that I'm currently using. So now the next thing is going to be like name again. All right, so yeah, this is how it will work. So let's write what you can say, go get check out the code into the go module directory like this, and let's write uses, actions, checkout at v2, and after that it will be fine. All right, so now the next thing is going to be name and get dependencies, and let's write uses. Sorry, this time it will not be uses, instead it will be like run, like this, run, what it will do, first of all, go get vtd. So V for the verbose means it will print all the in the detailed information, and it will test it, and it will it will give us the detailed information, or what you can say. So now this D will download the package also. So it will give us the detailed data. It will test it. It will download that package. One thing I have forgotten about is instead of writing setup like this, I will write setup go. All right, so this is the issue. And after that, let's write like this, download the data like this. And now let's write what you can say, print, or package go package dot toml, and like this f, and after that let's write then. So what it does, it will check that whether the toml is present, like if this package.toml file is present, then it will execute it. And let's write curl https, what you can say, your raw github user content.com, and after that let's write golang dep master install .sh, like this. So it will execute this path, and once it is done, I will write dep ensure, and let's close this if statement. And once it is done, now what I will do, I will build this job like by writing name build run. Run is going to be like go build v dot, sorry, I need to correct it like this. And after that let's write name test, it's going to be test. So let's write run go test, like this. Alright, so it will test it, it will build it, and it will run this by getting the dependencies that are present in the go mode file. And once it is done, what I will it will also check the code into the go module directory, and it will first of all set up the go, and before this it will also build the data and run it on the Ubuntu latest. So this is how it will work. So when the data new code will be pushed inside this here, it will automatically deploy it into the server. But now this code is used for the integration. I will work on the deployment part in the next video, but this is used for the integration part, right? So let's check this whether it is giving me an error or not. So yeah, it is saying that one path is missing. So now this is how it will work. So let's check this out first of all. And so one thing is that I'm going to remove this and write it like here, like this. So now let's write go git add git commit created the integration part of auto deployment, right, like this. Git push origin main and master install, right? So let's go to the repository. So now let's click on this auto dep. Now you can see that this is the job that is currently running. So let's open this, go to the actions. First of all, I need, created the integration part of auto deployment. So let's open this. So it will take me some time. So let's click on this. Now you can see that this is built now. All right. all the errors are not all the errors are gone, so nothing is giving me an error here. So now the job is complete. So it is doing the integration part. So after that, when the integration part will be completed, I will work on the upcoming video in the deployment part, when the new code will be pushed, or when the new code will be added into the repository here, it will push it automatically into the server. So this is how it will work, and you can automatically deploy this whole process of the code. All right, so this is how it will work. So let's write auto dep. So now, as you can see here, the job is successfully completed. So yeah, so I hope you liked, and I liked this video. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.